pip broke. How to fix distribution not found error? Whenever I try to use pip, I get an error. For example, I feel tempted to change the value of into pip equals 0.8.2, but I don't feel dealing with the consequences of hacking up my installation. I'm running Python 2.7 and pip is at version 0.8.2.
I find this problem in my MacBook. The reason is because, as Stefan said, I use easy_install to install pip, and the mixture of both Pi package manage tools led to the pkg_resources.distributionNotFound problem. The resolve is: remember, just use one of the above tools to manage your Pi packages.
I replaced 0.8.1 in 0.8.2 in, and everything worked again. I installed pip through easy_install, which probably caused me this headache. I think this is how you should do it nowadays.
I had this issue when I was using Homebrew. Here is the solution from issue number 26900.
Try reinstalling with the git pip script. This is sourced from the pip GitHub page, and worked for me.
This